Welcome back to my kitchen. Today's dish is chicken biryani. This dish comes from Lucknow and Delhi. In this dish, we do not use whole bunch of spices. In this chicken biryani dish, we flavor chicken with garam masala, whole garam masala, not the powdered one, and yogurt. So here I have 2 cups of basmati rice washed and soaked for about an hour now. And here I have 1 pound of cut up chicken. I have washed it and drained it. And I have 2 cups of yogurt, 1 thinly sliced onion, medium onion, and here I have ginger garlic minced, salt, and all the garam masala which I'll use. For the ingredients, you can go to shebasrecipes.com. In my pressure cooker, I have 8 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to put in my onions, thinly sliced onion, and fry them till they are like golden brown. So I have fried the onions. This is the color I want. I have turned off the heat. And now I'm going to put in the chicken. And I'm going to put rest of the ingredients, ginger, garlic, all the garam masala. And fry it. Let it fry for another 5 minutes. And then I'm going to put in the yogurt and cook it down. And in this pot, I have already boiled my water in the electric kettle. And I'm going to bring it to a high boil. And then put the rice in. So here goes the rice. And I'm not going to boil it. As soon as it comes to a boil, I'm going to turn it off. And since it has been soaked for an hour, it will quickly cook. I'm going to put in 2 cardamom seeds, and I have to salt the water too. I forgot that. And now it's time to put in the yogurt. And I'm going to cook down the yogurt. See, as you can see, the rice, it's not mushy. The grains are apart and it's al dente. So that means that now I have to cook it when I layer it with meat. I'm going to cook it furthermore in the oven. Here I have half milk and half water and food coloring for biryani. And I'm going to put like so the rice gets colored. And the reason I've put milk in it, so the reason is that it will help because it's al dente. It's going to help it to cook furthermore in the oven. Biryani is cooked by layering process. So this is the first layer, rice. And then I'm going to put cooked chicken on it. And then I'm going to put another layer of rice. And then I'm going to put it in the oven. And then it will be cooked and it will be really delicious. So the chicken is cooked and is very happy because it's really yummy. I've tasted it. It's delicious. And now I'm going to do the second part, which is layer the meat on top of the rice. So here it goes. I put a drop of kevra mixture. You just have to put drop of it because it's really strong, but it gives a really nice aroma to your biryani. So this is the last part of layering. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more of the milk mixture. And that's it. I have preheated my toaster oven, and you can see I've sealed my dish, my oven-proof dish, really tightly around the edges. And now it's gonna cook for 30 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. So the dish is in the oven and the temperature is 350, and I'm going to cook it for 30 minutes. So 30 minutes are done, and I'm going to open the biryani foil. There you go. Here's the cooked biryani, and now all I have to do is mix it. So here's the final product. Yummy, delicious biryani, chicken biryani. As you can see, it doesn't have any cayenne pepper, chili pepper, coriander, turmeric, the regular spices which I use. This is just flavored with garam masala and yogurt. So please do try it, and I'm sure your kids will love it because it's not spicy. For all the ingredients, please go to shebasrecipes.com, and thank you for watching my video. See you again.